Google accidentally launched an upcoming product at its own event that no one's heard of before. After all, mistakes happen all the time. Welcome to GadInsider, a place where you can get all the latest tech news. Imagine this, you're watching Google's big event, expecting the usual phones and software updates, and suddenly, for just 10 seconds, something completely unannounced flashes on screen. A mysterious, cylindrical smart speaker glowing with LEDs at the base casually appears next to NBA star Giannis Antetokounmpo and F1 driver Lando Norris. That blink and you'll miss it moment has got everyone buzzing. Because now, according to leaks, this speaker isn't just another Nest refresh, it's shaping up to be Google's most advanced one yet. Think 360-degree balanced audio, sound detection for alarms or breaking glass, full matter support, and even Google TV streamer integration for spatial surround sound. Oh, and it's powered by Gemini AI, meaning natural conversations, smart automations, and even interactive learning with Gemini Live. And the colors are just as bold as the features. This speaker will come in jade, obsidian, porcelain, and a striking bright red. The colors are literally so pretty, right? Although no name or release date has been confirmed, but insiders suggest it could launch as early as October, or Google may even hold off until spring to pair it with a Pixel 10a. Either way, one thing's clear, Google didn't mean for us to see it yet. But now that we have, everyone's waiting for the official reveal. Are you excited for its launch as much as we are? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Hit the bell icon so you stay updated with more tech news.